Hello everyone, today we will be doing LeetCode number 268, which is missing number, and this is an easy problem and we'll be doing it in Python. So let's get started. Given an array containing n distinct numbers taken from 0 to n, find the one that is missing from the array. In the first example, we have a list of 3 numbers, and the missing number is 2 because it goes from 1 to 3 and the 0 here is 2. This list has 9 numbers and it is missing 8. There's a note down here that says your algorithm should run in linear runtime complexity and we should only be using constant extra space complexity. This means that our algorithm should be O of n and the space we should use is O of 1. So to get this problem started, we need to use something called Gauss's formula, which is a formula used to find the sum of numbers 1 to n. In this situation, what we would do is find the sum of the numbers we actually have in the list. So in example 1, it would be 1 plus 0 plus 3, which would equal 4. And then subtract that from the numbers that should actually be in the list, which would be 1 plus 2 plus 3, which equals to 6. So 6 minus 4 would give us our missing number of 2. So we can do our sum, which is just the sum of the numbers we have in the list, which is 4. And then with the length of the array, we can find the sum using Gauss's formula. So we can do n equals the length of nums, which is 3. Now, the actual sum is equal to n times n plus 1 divided by 2. Now, the reason we use 2 division signs is because we want to do integer division. We don't want to have a floating point result when we use 1 division sign, which would give us 2.0 in this situation. We want it to be floored and give us 2. Now, all we have to do is return the result, which would be the actual sum minus our sum. And we can submit this, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope that helped, and thank you for watching.